From the East Tennessee Weather Center, here's your morning weather update with meteorologist Mike Witcher.
Good morning and happy hump day, everybody. It's Wednesday. It is December 4th, and it's going to be a warmer, windy Wednesday as we have an Arctic cold front heading our way. That's going to tank our temperatures on Thursday. Let's talk about high temperatures yesterday. We did make it into the 20s, 30s, and yes, even 40s around the area. It was a brutally cold day. We saw plenty of sunshine during the second part of the day, but now we're tracking an Arctic cold front. We have a little dip in our upper level jet stream pattern that's going to be swinging its way into the area. So that is going to draw in some incredibly dry and cold air. And that process takes place throughout the day on Thursday. Throughout the day today, the Arctic front's well off to our north. We have plenty of sunshine. Wind starts to pick up throughout the afternoon. Clouds increase. A chance for some light precipitation. Maybe a quick stray light shower, or a little bit of light mountain snow, less than half an inch of snow expected across the mountains of East Tennessee. But then falling temperatures on into our Thursday. So Thursday, another batch of cold air surges into the eastern U.S. We're still talking widespread temperatures 15 to 20, 25 degrees below average through the day on Thursday. We'll talk more about that here in a second. This morning we start off with temperatures in the teens and 20s. A chilly start to the day. And, well, it's going to be a little bit warmer today. By lunchtime, plenty of sunshine. We're going to be right around 40, but the wind's going to start to pick up. That's going to make that 40 feel chillier. And forecast highs today in the 40s and 50s, so a little bit closer to those seasonal averages. Now let's talk wind. The wind's going to be cranking anywhere from 15 to 20, 25 miles per hour here in the valley, upwards of 50 to 55 mile per hour winds across the mountains. And so that's why the National Weather Service has issued a wind advisory. It goes into effect at 7 o'clock tonight and runs until 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon for the mountains of East Tennessee. So into the evening hours we go. If you have any sort of evening plans tonight, it's going to be pretty mild considering what we've been having to contend with over the last few days. We're going to be in the upper 40s. Arctic cold front comes through tonight. You can see limited moisture with this frontal boundary. It swings through just after midnight. Here comes the cold air. So I would imagine that our high temperature on Thursday is going to be around midnight tonight. And then temperatures will continue to fall throughout the day on Thursday. As I mentioned, not a lot of precipitation associated with this system as it swings its way through, but we do have a chance for maybe a quick little light dusting of snow across the higher elevations in upper East Tennessee. It's not going to cause any major travel concerns by any stretch of the imagination. Now, the morning lows, most of our locations start off in the 30s to right around 40 degrees. So I think that's going to be our morning temperatures, although look at the Cumberland Plateau. Here comes that Arctic air, and that's going to come racing on in. So we may start off in the 30s and 40s, but look at these temperatures as we get into the afternoon and then even overnight into Friday morning. Friday morning is likely to be one of the coldest mornings we've had so far this season. And so as we go from our Thursday night to Friday morning, we're going to have clear skies, and that's what's going to allow those temperatures to really fall off on into our Friday morning. So high temperatures will be in the upper 40s today, closer to those seasonal averages. Average high is 54. Temperatures fall into the low to mid 30s as we head through the day tomorrow, and then we climb back into the 40s, 50s, and how about some upper 60s by next Tuesday? But a rather wet weather pattern is going to be setting up shop Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Look at these morning lows. 18 degrees on Friday, but then those morning lows, a lot more comfortable mornings are heading our way, but wet mornings. And if you're not a cold lover, good news is the Climate Prediction Center is predicting above average temperatures through the middle and getting towards the latter part of the month. Dew points will fall. Very dry air on Friday, and then the dew points come up, and that's a sign of the rain showers that are going to be moving on in. Rain showers really start to ramp up Sunday, Monday, Tuesday time frame, and that 20% chance tonight is just a couple of quick little passing light showers in the valley and some light mountain snow showers. So not a lot of precipitation all the way through Friday. We'll take you into the weekend. Well, not a ton, but we're going to start to see those rain showers increase on Sunday. Look at all the rain to our south and west that mobs the area as we get into Monday and Tuesday, where we're looking at the possibility of upwards of 1, 2, maybe pockets of 3 inches of rainfall. So a very wet weather pattern is going to set up shop. As the rain settles on in next week, you'll want to check out the interactive radar. It gives you past, current, and future radar of 2 hours. We've got your day parts, 7-day forecasts, current conditions, 1 minute with Witcher, and access to the only 24-hour weather channel right here in East Tennessee. I'm talking about East Tennessee Weather app. It's a free app download, by the way. Just go to your app store and search East TN Weather, all one word. All right, so we sure hope you have a great day. We have your next weather update coming up at noon today, then again at 6 o'clock tonight. But again, mild today, windy, warmer, and then falling temperatures throughout the day tomorrow.